irregular verbs. Infinitive, simple past, past participle. To be, was, were, been. To become, became, become. To begin, began, begun. To bend, bent, bent. To bite, bit, bitten. To blow, blew, blown. To break, broke, broken. To bring, brought, brought. To build, built, built. To burn, burnt, burnt. To buy, bought, bought. Can, could. To catch, caught, caught. To choose, chose, chosen. To come, came, come. To cost, cost, cost. To cut, cut, cut. To dig, dug, dug. To do, did, done. To draw, drew, drawn. To drink, drank, drunk. To drive, drove, driven. To eat, ate, eaten. To fall, fell, fallen. To feed, fed, fed. To feel, felt, felt. To fight, fought, fought. To find, found, found. To fly, flew, flown. To forget, forgot, forgotten. To freeze, froze, frozen. To get, got, gotten. To give, gave, given. To go, went, gone. To grow, grew, grown. To have, had, had. To hear, heard, heard. To hide, hid, hidden. To hold, held, held. To hurt, hurt, hurt. To keep, kept, kept. To kneel, knelt, knelt. To know, knew, known. To lean, lent, lent. To learn, learnt, learnt. To leave, left, left. To let, let. To lie, lay, lain. To lose, lost, lost. To make, made, made. To may, might. To mean, meant, meant. To meet, met, met. To pay, paid, paid. To put, put, put. To read, read, read. To ride, rode, ridden. To ring, rang, rung. To rise, rose, risen. To run, ran, run. To say, said, said. To see, saw, seen. To sell, sold, sold. To send, sent, sent. To shake, shook, shaken. To shine, shone, shone. To shoot, shot, shot. To show, showed, shown. To shut, shut, shut. To sing, sang, sung. To sit, sat, sat. To sleep, slept, slept. To slide, slid, slid. To smell, smelt, smelt. To speak, spoke, spoken. To spell, spelt, spelt. To spend, spent, spent. To stand, stood, stood. To steal, stole, stolen. To strike, struck, struck. To sweep, swept, swept. To swim, swam, swum. To take, took, taken. To teach, taught, taught. To tell, told, told. To throw, threw, thrown. To understand, understood, understood. To wake, woke, woken. To wear, wore, worn. All the verbs that are not found on this list are regular verbs that end with ed in the past.